this video I'm going to show you guys how to update Instagram on iPhone. So if it doesn't update automatically, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, what you want to do, open settings and check if you're on the latest iOS version. So to do that, click on General, then click on Software Update right here. And it says your software is up to date. So that's good. If it isn't up to date, then you'll get a notification or something that it says download the new iOS. So just do that. It's very straightforward. Then go to your App Store, search for Instagram right here. And for me, it says open because it's up to date already. But if it isn't up to date, it says update. And the only thing you have to do is basically just click on it. Just click on update. And yeah, it'll update Instagram for you. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.